everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make the triangle granny that you can use it with granny square. Look, these grannies are the same size, and also you can use it with half granny square in your crafts. All of these grannies are the same size that you can use them together and make many crafts, for example cardigans. You can find the tutorial of all of these grannies by click the link that I placed for you on the screen. And as you can see, there is no wrong and right side in my grannies. The rows are straight. Let's go for it. Start with the magic ring or 4 chain and 1 slip stitch for the making a ring. Make a slip knot and 4 chain. Join with the slip stitch to the first chain. Here is our circle. Then make 3 chain as 1 double crochet and make 3 double crochet in the circle. Look, pull the yarn over the hook, inside the circle, pull through 2, pull through 2. Third double crochet, and then make 3 chain. And again, make 3 double crochet in the center. And make 1 double crochet in the ring. Don't complete it. We have 2 loops on the hook. Bring the second yarn and join it and complete the double crochet with the second yarn and then make 3 chain. Now we're gonna tie 2 knots, a basic knot, and pull little tight. And in the end, we must secure them. Flip your work to the wrong side and make 3 double crochet in the same place that we made chains 2 and 3. Go to the next space in the chain 3 space and make 3 double crochet, 3 and 3 chains, and again in the same space make 3 double crochet, and go to the chains in the end. On the third chain we make 4 double crochet, 2 and 3. Don't complete the 4th double crochet. Join the 3rd color. We have 2 loops on the hook. Join the next color and complete the double crochet and make 3 chain. Make a tie. Cut the tail of the yarn and make a knot. Just a basic knot. And now turn back to the wrong side and continue the crocheting. Make 3 double crochet in the space between first chains that we have as a double crochet and the second double crochet, and then 3 double crochet in the next space between the clusters, and then in the chain 3 space make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and 3 double crochet in the next space between the clusters. 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet between the third and fourth double crochet. 2 and 3 and 1 double crochet in the third chain, and don't complete it. We have 2 loops on the hook. Join the next color and complete it, and again make 3 chain as 1 double crochet and flip your work to the wrong side and make a knot by the ties. You can make this granny as big as you want. You don't have to change color if you want. You can just keep going along. Okay, I show you one row more. Turn back in the wrong side and make 3 double crochet between the first and second double crochet, and between the clusters in the next space make 3 double crochet, and in the next one make 3 double crochet, and in the corner in the top of the triangle make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, and 3 double crochet. Just keep going along according to the pattern. And one more, 3 double crochet. In the end, between the third and fourth double crochet, make 3 double crochet and 1 double crochet in the third chain. Don't complete it. We have 2 loops on the hook. Join the next color, make a knot, and then continue the crocheting. I'll crochet few more rounds and back and gonna show you the end of my triangle. My triangle granny is done. Cut the yarn with the scissors. Look, here is my triangle grannies. Now I'm gonna secure the yarns and cut the tails. Just keep close the knot, and that's gonna get hidden under the stitches and never gonna see it. Secure them by the tapestry needle between the stitches like this, and I'll cut it by the scissors. And the other one. Secure it as well I can between the stitches, and then cut it. Do it for all the tails of the yarns you have. I'm gonna show you in the end. Here is my granny triangle. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please let me know in the comment below. And if you would like to subscribe, that would be helpful. And please hit the notification bell so you never miss a crochet tutorial from me. Happy crocheting! Love you all. Goodbye.